In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a team collection page. Okay, so we already have one agent. We're going to add a second one. So let's add that team member. So let's put the first name, last name, contact information, phone number, and email. So let's add the email, jake.johnson@realestate.com. Let's put the title of this agent, real estate advisor. Now let's add an image. Let's use the first one. We just crop the picture. That will work for us for this example. So let's go ahead and crop. This works. Let's add our example text for the biography. Okay, so now we have everything that we need. Let's just click save. Okay, so now we have our two agents. We just need to activate. We need to show them on the website. Now let's go ahead and put the title and main title for our collection page. So let's put meet our team. So meet our team. Now you can choose how many columns you want to display. So you have from 2 to 4 columns. Since we only have two agents, let's use 2 columns. Click save. Now let's preview our collection page. So to preview it, just make sure that you have both agents active. Click on view collection. This is going to take us to the collection page. And here is our two agents that we created, Jake Johnson and John Smith. And this is how you create a team collection page.